Hey, Mike here, Riverview Turfworks, Fort Smith's local lawn and landscaping business. Just got done with a small flower bed job here in Alma. So pretty much ripped out and replaced everything in this current landscape bed, including the border up front. I flipped around here where you can see, but we have a pretty good sized trailer load full of debris back here that we got out of here. Check it around here and see. So we have new metal edging flower border. Have a hydrangea over here in the corner, a couple nandinas, some azaleas. Over here in front of the brick, we have a couple of sky pencils, a few boxwoods, and an azalea, along with another sky pencil over here on this end. What we also did here is we did a canopy lift on both of these trees. Allows you to see the landscaping from the street, whereas before the trees were hanging down very low to where you could not see that. Something like this runs about $2,800. If this interests you, give us a call, 479-235-1390, riverviewturfworks.com. Thank you.